In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor so you are inside the page where you want to place your custom code. This method is useful when you want to embed custom HTML, apply styling with CSS, or run JavaScript inside a widget area on your site. Once you are in the editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. After that, move your cursor over the Embed Code section. In this menu, click Embed a Widget. In some versions of the Wix editor, you may see an option called HTML iframe instead. If that is what appears in your version, select that option. Both are used to place custom code into your page. As soon as you select it, a gray box will appear on the page. This box represents the embedded code area. Click directly on that gray box to select it. Once it is selected, look for the Enter Code button that appears above it, and click on that. A settings window will now open. Inside this window, make sure the code option is selected. This is important because Wix may also give you the choice to embed a website address instead. For this process, you want to use the code option so you can paste in your own custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Now paste your code into the box provided. If your code includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together, make sure everything is pasted cleanly and in the correct structure before moving on. This helps avoid formatting issues and makes it easier for the widget to display properly inside Wix. Take a moment to review what you pasted so you can catch any missing tags or syntax errors before updating it. When everything looks correct, click Update. Wix will then apply your code to that embedded widget on the page. At this point, you can reposition the gray box if needed and adjust its size so your embedded content fits nicely within your layout. This can be especially helpful if your code creates a visible element that needs more room to display correctly. Once you have done that, your custom code has been added to Wix through the Embed feature. That covers everything you need to know.